Hello. Today we have Mr. Vishal ji with us. Hello, sir. We are from Team Drone Expo. So I'm here to ask you a few questions related to the exhibition and about your company.
Yeah,
So can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your company also to the audience?
yeah, sure. So basically, myself Vishal. So we started XBOOM in 2015 with a vision of introducing different kind of technologies to India, which is being currently missed out. And in that respect, only we have been working since 2015. Yeah.
Good. So there are a lot of products in your stands. So I want you to tell to the audience that what particularly you are showcasing in this expo.
Yeah. So basically, we are focusing here more about the robots which can go basically underneath the water. So we have these underwater robots or drones, you can say. And then we have these robotics which can basically covering the land, in which two types are there. One is your robotic dog and second is your humanoid robots.
Okay.
Yeah. So these two basically robots are able to do different kind of industrial work which is being done by man.
Both of them are really great inventions, innovation as well. Great. So like now coming on to the exhibition, like this is our third day today.
Yeah.
So how has been the footfall? What's your experience about it?
Yeah, I think like we got a lot of people here walking in, and they were basically a kind of right set of audience or visitors which we were expecting.
Okay.
And overall, I will say like the event has been very successful for us.
Well, I'm really glad to hear that as well. So this year we are having the exhibition in Hyderabad, and this year only we are having the exhibition in Mumbai as well, which will be in a much bigger venue than this one. So have you planned anything for it yet?
Yeah, I got to know recently that you guys are planning for Fire Expo or something.
Drone Expo, yeah, it will be happening along with Fire.
Okay.
So it will be in a much bigger venue.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, definitely we are looking forward to it because I believe like our the use cases for these kind of gadgets will be very much, especially for fire, definitely, and also for the regular different industries as well. So we are looking forward to the next exhibition. Sure.
Great. Thank you, Shadi. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll definitely meet you in Mumbai as well. Thank you.